Hello, welcome to a Brandt agricultural product walk-around video of our new XT series grain cart lineup. Our XT series is new for 2020, single auger grain cart line. I'm standing in front of our 1120 XT. We also offer an 850 bushel, 1000, 1100, 1300, and 1500 bushel model. This is an 1120 XT, so 1100 bushels, 20-inch unloading auger XT, part of our new XT series grain cart line. So one of the key features on our new XT series grain cart lineup is our industry-leading unload auger reach. So what that unload auger reach really does, and really how it helps you, is it all comes back to operator ease of use. So we have industry-leading auger forward reach. So you can see here the auger reaches forward and it reaches in line with the tractor cab. So the operator has a very clear line of sight, has excellent visibility to the auger spout. They can see exactly what they're doing. They can comfortably unload at a high speed and get back to the combine faster. We also have excellent upward reach and side reach. So the upward reach allows you to get up and over even the tallest trailers, and the side reach really allows you to reach across ditches if you have to unload into a trailer. So what this all really comes down to is ease of unload. So even if it's an inexperienced operator, you can put them in a tractor with a XT grain cart behind it, and they have a high degree of confidence that this unload auger reach allows them to easily position next to and unload directly straight down into any trailer. With the side reach, what it really allows you to do is position the auger spout in the center of the trailer that you're unloading into to unload straight down. So it just means that you have a lower chance of spilling, lower chance of causing a mess and causing an issue at a high stress time during harvest. Another new feature on our XT series grain cart lineup is our 4-direction auger spout control. So what that allows is the operator easily move the spout not only side to side but also in and out. So ultimately, when they're next to a trailer, they can easily direct the grain flow to fill up every corner or to easily fill up the trailer evenly. And they can do this either manually with each of the remotes in your tractor, or you can get the optional joystick control kit, which puts all of those controls in an easy to use joystick control handle. So at the end of our spout here, we have new LED lights, LED floodlights, which very effectively illuminate the trailer and the work area even as you harvest into the night. We also have an LED flow gate indicator bar, and what that does is it just represents how open or closed your flow gate is. So as your operator is unloading, they're focusing on whether the grain is flowing, they're focusing on the spout. Now they don't have to look back at the base of their auger to understand how open or closed their flow gate is. So here we have our hydraulic hose management arm, and what that does is it organizes all of your electrical and hydraulic connections to the tractor, which essentially allows you to easily hook up to the tractor, and it keeps all of those connections stored and out of the way. Here we have a hydraulic jack. It's an optional hydraulic jack, and what it allows you to do is just easily lift up that hitch when you need to unhook or hook up quickly. So that one of the new unique features on the XT series grain cart lineup is our robotically welded engineered plate frame. So instead of using tubing and gusseting and different support brackets, we can look at where all the loading is on the frame, and we can strengthen and increase the plate size, change the shape of our frame members to really strengthen where we see high loading, high stress, and cut weight out of areas where there's less stress, less loading. The plate frame also allows us to really evaluate how our electrical and hydraulic subsystems are routed through the cart. So we want to keep all of those harnesses and hydraulic lines out of the way, free from potential of being damaged during use, and also keep them tidy and clean so they have a really high aesthetic appeal. So XT series grain cart models are up to a foot lower than previous Brandt grain cart models, and are really the lowest cart in the industry by model. Why we did that is we understand the importance of having a lot of clearance between your combine and auger as you're unloading on the go and your grain cart. So even in any type of field condition with any type of combine, operators can be comfortable knowing that they've got a low cart with the Brandt XT series grain cart. In addition, we've also ensured that our tarp hoops have a low profile, so low enough profile while still also being able to effectively shed water while the tarp's closed. So in addition to that, the front of the car, you'll also notice we have large viewing windows installed whenever possible, so the operator can easily see into the grain cart tank and understand how full or empty their cart is. With our auger, our 20-inch unloading auger, we have a peak unload speed of up to 600 bushels per minute. The auger flighting that we use is very high quality. It's a 1/2 inch thick extended life wear edge. So what that means is that you're going to get more life out of your auger longer term. So lower replacement costs down the road and just a better overall investment. With this 2-speed cushion fold cylinder, essentially what that allows is for a very fast fold speed, but then at either end of the stroke, you'll notice a pause. So you're not getting the auger bang into the cradle or bang into the field unloading position. So an operator can be comfortable knowing that they're going to put lots of cycles on this auger fold, and the design that we have here is going to be able to be reliable and durable long term. As an option, we also offer an auto lock kit, and essentially what that does is it locks your auger fold circuit out while the PTO is spinning. So the case is while your operator is unloading the grain cart into a trailer, this locks them out from accidentally pushing the wrong button on the joystick or pulling the wrong lever in the tractor and starting to fold your auger in while you're unloading. The auger coupler we have here really only allows for about 30 degrees of rotation before that upper auger engages from the lower auger. So you're not going to get a bang every time you start your auger. It engages very smoothly. We really wanted to ensure that it was straight from the sump to the spout. So we don't have any U-joints, or we don't have any bends or breaks here at the hinge point like you'll see in some competitors. We keep the grain moving very efficiently, very smoothly, right from the sump to the spout. So this 1120 XT model is equipped with a 900 radial tire. All XT GrainCart models are available with either single tire options or Brandt track system. So ranging anything from a smaller 900 tire all the way up to an IF 1250 tire, and then taking the next step to a Brandt track system, which really provides excellent flotation and compaction characteristics. So here at the back of the cart, you can also see our new 5-point double-ended shear beam load cell system. So 5 points and the double-ended shear beams provide a really high level of accuracy and reliability, even in uneven terrains. So the double-ended shear beams are superior to the spindle style because they're more reliable, more accurate long term. Also, the way we've designed them is they're a lot more accessible and easy to get to if you ever need to do any replacement or troubleshooting. Also, since they're so accessible, if you order a cart without the load cell system, you can easily add one on afterwards without having to start to take off tires. So here on the 1120 XT GrainCart, you can see an example of our adjustable axle. So the spacing on this axle can be adjusted from 120-inch wheel centers to 152-inch wheel centers. And this adjustable axle is available on the 820, 1020, and 1120 XT models. Here we have our brand new North American exclusive ground level access hatch. So this feature is standard on all XT GrainCart models. And what it allows the operator to do is very, very easily, quickly, safely get into the grain cart tank to do any type of work they need to do in there, such as clean out between crop varieties or any type of minor repair work. So you'll see here the door shuts. There's a lipped edge on there. So as it's shut, any weight from the grain in the cart will actually act to seal the hatch shut. So there's essentially zero chance of grain leakage. And on the inside, the door or the panel has a very low profile. So there's essentially no crop hang up from this hatch. The ladder here allows you to very easily climb up into there. On the inside of the tank, you'll also see a handle for the operator to grab as they're entering the tank and exiting. And as this ladder folds up, the two latches on either side grab that clean out door hatch, the main door, and actually close on it and keep it sealed as well. So with our single auger design, we recognize that tank cleanout is very important. So what that means is we've essentially kept all of our tank angles as steep as possible. We've removed any hang-up points within the tank and removed any obstructions for crop flow into the sump. So what that means is a faster total cart unload time as the crop is flowing into the sump, and a shorter changeover time between field varieties because there's less crop hung up inside your tank. Every single component on the cart will get put through our two-stage primer and powder coat paint line. And what that means is that, essentially we're able to deliver the highest quality paint of any grain cart in the marketplace today. And what that means long term is that the coloration of all of your components is going to remain vibrant. It's going to be really effective at combating any type of rust buildup. And inside the tank, we don't need to spray any type of special liner to help with clean out. With our forward-reaching auger with industry-leading unload auger reach, our low card height, improved cleanout characteristics, and engineered frame, two-stage powder coat paint, we've really tried to ensure that we offer the most customer value and the best return on investment for anybody out there looking to buy a grain cart. So that being said, thank you for watching this walk around video of the 1120 XT, talking about the entire XT GrainCart series lineup. If you need any more information, please visit brandt.ca or contact your local Brandt representative. Thanks.